Pupils tend to overestimate their own abilities and underestimate the abilities of others. This is known as the better than average effect. Pupils are more likely to help others when they are in a good mood. Pupils are more likely to remember information that is presented to them in a visually appealing way. Pupils tend to be more trusting of others who are similar to them in some way. Pupils tend to be more motivated when they are working towards a goal that is personally meaningful to them. Pupils are more likely to make decisions based on their emotions rather than logic. Pupils are more likely to conform the behavior of others when they are in a group setting. Pupils are more likely to take risks when they feel like they have little to lose. Pupils are more likely to make judgments about others based on their appearance rather than their personality. Pupils tend to make more selfish when they are under time pressure.